Hi there, I'm just going to show you how to take seeds from your favourite tomatoes. It's right at the end of the season now, and it's definitely worth saving seed from tomato varieties, open pollinated varieties rather than the F1 um, kinds, and saving them for next year because they should come true from seed. So what I've done here is mashed up, it looks pretty horrible, I've mashed up a very ripe tomato that was almost beginning to rot. The thing about tomato seeds is that they're covered in a kind of gel which prevents them from sprouting when they're inside the tomato. But you need to extract that because you need the dry seeds to save over winter. And the slight sort of rotting process will get rid of that gel, so that I'm going to keep them on this plate for 3 or 4 days, and the all the pulp and the gel will kind of dry out, and then I will sort of extract the seeds from all of that mess, that pulp, and they will slowly dry off. Quite a lot of people might do this on a paper plate or on a bit of kitchen roll. And then once they're completely dry, I'll keep them in paper over the winter in a paper envelope, ready to sow next spring.